Breathe, kitty. Breathe.
Princess.
Come up for air. Breathe, kitty.
She's breathing through her nose. You would think she was freaking starving. You would think we never feed her.
You're like a fucking street rat. Eat that.
Get out of here, street rat.
We spoil her too much, man. She's got to fucking go on a diet. She's like an old fat Italian person. She eats and then she's got food in her mouth when she drinks, and she spits the food into her water bowl. Like while she's like
Yeah.
drinks with a mouthful. You fucking piglet. All that work and there's still so much food left on the fucking plate.
You're not still recording, are you?
Yeah, over